Two different metal carbonyls are given in this question and the properties are also given. We have to find out the correct property regarding to both of these carbonyl compounds. First of all, let's see the structures of both these complexes, that is Mn2CO10 and CO2CO8. From the diagram it is clear, in Mn2CO10, both the manganese atoms are connected by one metal-metal bond and both of them contains 5 carbonyl groups. And the second one is CO2CO8. Here both the cobalt atoms are containing 3 carbonyl groups and 2 carbonyl groups are bridged between these two metal atoms. Now let's come to the properties given here. The first one is metal-metal linkage. The metal-metal linkage is the bond present between the metal atoms. Both of them are binuclear metal carbonyls, means they contains two metal atoms. So they are connected by metal-metal bonds. In Mn2CO10 we can see the metal-metal bond. Similarly, CO2CO8 also contains cobalt-cobalt bond. So the first property is for both the complexes. The second one is terminal carbonyl groups. Terminal carbonyl groups means the carbonyl group which is connected to the metal atom. In Mn2CO10, both the manganese atoms containing 5 carbonyl groups in each, and in the second one, both the cobalt atoms contains 3 groups only. So we can say both of them are containing terminal carbonyl groups. The third one is bridging CO group. Bridging CO group means the carbonyl group which will connect both the atoms together. In the first complex, that is Mn2CO10, we cannot see any bridging carbonyl group that is connecting both the metal atoms together. But in CO2CO8 we can see two bridging carbonyl groups are there. So this option C is present in CO2CO8 only, absent in Mn2CO10. And the last one is metal in zero oxidation state. Carbonyl group is a neutral ligand. So in both the complexes, the oxidation state of the metal atoms are 0. That is, in Mn2CO10, manganese is in zero oxidation state. In the second complex also, cobalt is in zero oxidation state. So this is for both the complexes. Now from these options we can see the properties which is for both the complexes include the property A, B and D. So from these options, option D is the correct answer.